The information in the video shows an incident in Niigata, Japan. Days of continuous snowfall have significantly disrupted daily life and travel in Japan's Niigata prefecture. In Minami-Onuma City, many roads are now covered with an average depth of 1 meter of accumulated snow. The city, renowned for winter tourism, attracts numerous sightseers each winter due to its abundant snowfall. However, the ongoing snowstorm in recent days has inconvenienced local residents, requiring them to spend more time clearing the snow. Snowfall has also impacted Ishikawa Prefecture and Gifu Prefecture, leading to a 6-kilometer-long traffic jam on a highway in central Japan.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.